Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking on for the first time, welcome to Shamin's Kitchen. And if you like all the recipes that I've been sharing with you, guys, give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment at the bottom, remember to share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you would not miss out any of my new videos. And if you want to see what I'm going to share with you today, come on down with me and let's have some fun in my kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you a delicious dessert, which is caramel bread flan. And guys, I do have this recipe already on my channel, but because the audio was not good, I've decided to do it again because I really want you guys to try it. And for that, I'm using 6 slices of bread, 6 eggs, some ginger. This is optional. Here I have the sugar that I will be caramelizing. I have some vanilla extract here. This is optional as well. 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. First thing I'm going to do is caramelize this sugar. You do not want this to turn into a dark brown. So this has a nice golden color here. I'm going to turn the stove off and pour this in my loaf pan here. I'm going to remove all the brown edges. And you can use whatever type of bread you choose. It's a personal preference. Today I'm using the Hawaiian bread. I've also tried this with the whole wheat bread and it came out really nice. I'm going to add all the bread in here. In goes the evaporated milk. I'm going to add my ginger here so that it could be blended up together in this liquid. I would strain this now because I need a nice smooth flan. All the ginger strings would come out there as well. You see, look at that. All the ginger strings remained. Not forgetting the vanilla extract. Put this in the dish that has the caramelized sugar in there. Cover this with foil. And I'm not going to put this in the oven. I'm going to put this on the stove top. And I'm going to add some water in there now. So I'm going to cover this, leave it for like 45 to 50 minutes, allow it to cool down properly, and I'll show you how it looks like after that. This is cooled down properly now, so let's take a look what's inside. And what I'm going to do now is carefully cut the edges here, and I'm using a plastic knife so that my pan would not be scratched up. And whatever you're going to put it in, you cover it like this and you turn it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, this is how it looks. Let's take a taste now. Oh my. Look how nice and soft this is, guys. Oh my god. It is so smooth in my mouth. I'm tasting a little ginger. It is not too sweet. You must try this recipe out, guys. My delicious caramel bread flan. Remember, if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment at the bottom. Share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you will be notified when all my new videos become available. Thank you for watching and have a great day.